Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy XRP Ripple on Coinbase. So what we will do, log into your account on coinbase.com and after that you will arrive at the home page. So for now, for the first step, I will select the buy and sell option in the middle on top of this page. After that, the buy overview will be opened. So we would like to make a one-time purchase, but if you would like to use another purchase frequency, just select it and this list will be opened. You can select different frequencies like a daily, weekly, twice a month or a monthly frequency. For now I will leave it on a one-time purchase and after that I will fill in the amount of euros I would like to spend on this buy. For me it's 2 euros, but you can fill in whatever you want. And make sure you have enough funds in your wallet. For now, I will select the asset we would like to buy, and that is definitely XRP Ripple. Select it, and now XRP is selected. After that, you can also select the payment method. I have my Euro wallet because I live in the Netherlands, and there they are using the Euro as a currency. But if you live in the United States or other regions and you are using other currencies, just select it in this list. If you don't have any options here, then add a new payment on the button below. If you have one, just select it and after that you can click on Review Order. If you click on this button, there will be first shown an overview of the costs of the buy. Just click it and now you can check all the prices. As you can see, I'm buying 2.2 XRP coins and I'm using my Euro wallet. The price of the coin is 46 cents and I'm purchasing for €1.01 of XRP, but the Coinbase fee is a little bit more expensive and it is 99 cents. So the total amount I'm spending is 2 euros. If you would like to invest on a weekly base, like you want to buy these every week at the same moment, just select it. And I will leave it on no for now because I would like to make a one-time purchase. If you would like to buy it, just click on buy now and the XRP will be added to your balance. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.